Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. I'm just going to take you through setting up Morello for WordPress. Okay, so what we've got at the moment is a fresh WordPress install running just a default theme. And we're going to go through the process of installing the theme, setting up the plugins and installing the demo data now. So to begin with, we want to actually install the theme itself. So as you normally would, you go to the admin area and within there go to Appearance and Themes. Add new, upload theme, and we're going to upload the zip for the theme itself. Now, depending on the speed of your connection, this can take a few moments, but as you can see, this was very quick here. The theme's been uploaded, so I'm going to activate now. Okay, before we go any further, I'm going to refresh the site and we'll just have a quick look. Okay, so we can see there it's very different, but it certainly doesn't look great. Now the reason for this, we haven't finished installing the theme yet. We need to install some plugins to get it all to work correctly. So if we head back into the admin area, you'll see we've got this large banner here asking us to install some plugins. 3 of them are required, the Framework, Visual Composer and WP-Less. And a couple of them are recommended for this theme, Contact Form 7 and RevSlider. We're going to install all of these in one go. So to begin with, we just simply hit the link here, begin installing plugins. And rather than install them individually, we can tick this top column here to highlight them all. And we can bulk install all of them in one go. Now this can take a few moments as well, so I'm just going to pause the video while the install takes place. Back in a moment. Okay, the install is all done and the plugins have been activated as we can see here. So we'll return to the dashboard and see what's different. Now we can see straight away we've got a load of extra options here on the left. Things like the portfolio, team, etc., as well as Visual Composer and slider settings here. So we know things have taken effect, but let's refresh the front end of the site and see what's changed there. Okay, great. We can see things are looking a lot more normal now. Now, the only thing that's missing is the demo data, so we will import that straight away. And to do this, we use our simple demo data importer tool, which can be found in the theme options. To get there, go to Appearance and Customize. And as you can see in the theme options at the top here, we've got a demo data area. And the first thing we're going to want to do is just expand that and have a quick read of the blurb here. It's basically a warning to let you know that the process of inputting the data can take a while. Usually it's a few minutes, but it can take anywhere between 15 30 minutes, even longer depending on your server. Basically, once you start the process, don't navigate away. In your browser you can open up another tab and obviously browse other sites, but leave this tab open until you get a confirmation that it's complete. I'm going to hit the input button now, and as we can see we've got a little notification asking us to check that we've installed the plugins. We've already done this, but if you're following along this video and you haven't done so, please skip back and install the plugins first. You do need them to make this work. Okay, we're good to go, so I'm going to hit OK and pause the video while the input takes place. Okay, the demo data is imported. I'm going to hit OK and quit the theme options, and I'll refresh the site now and see what's changed. Fantastic, so we can see we've got a lot more content there now. Obviously it's still not quite like the demo, but what we're going to do is just finalize the installation by setting a home page and menu. And to do this, we will simply go to Settings and Reading. And here we can see WordPress is currently set to show our latest posts. Well, we don't want that, we want it to show, we'll go with the home page one. And you need to set a post page as well, so we'll just use blog. And finally, under the menu area in your admin, we're just going to assign a standard navigation, which we provide with the demo as well. Okay, so we'll take one last look. Now, for the most part, we can see we've got all of the content and everything there. The slider here, which is from Revolution Slider, is missing because we haven't imported that yet, simply because it's handled separately to the normal data. But we will cover this in the next video for getting set up. Okay, so yeah, there it is. Any problems along the way, do come and see me over at support, where I'll be happy to help. Other than that, thanks so much for watching.